Hello everyone and welcome to Punta Prima, the most popular location of Aurelio Costa in Costa Blanca. My name is Kate and this is E-Style Real Estate Property Channel. And today I'm going to show you a very cozy 2-bedroom apartment in Punta Prima, location of Aurelio Costa. It's very cozy, a very quiet community with only 40 flats around and this large communal pool. Location is very good for everyday living, for permanent move, for investment and for rental. All amenities within the walking distance. Commercial center Punta Marina, beautiful beaches of Punta Prima, all restaurants and bars, all within the walking distance. Welcome to our 2-bedroom apartment with very unique kitchen and a breakfast bar, cozy dining table and a living space. Next to the living room, we have a very cozy, beautiful south-facing terrace with the outside furniture and the orange tree. Behind me, we've got a family bathroom with walk-in shower, and I'll show you bedrooms just in a minute. Very good side master bedroom with double bed, lots of natural lights, big window and double fitted wardrobe. And this is the second bedroom of this apartment with 2 beds. One is double, one is single, fitted wardrobe, natural light and the window with a view to the communal area, and extra cabinets for your clothes. Today I've shown you very cozy 2-bedroom apartments in Punta Prima of Aurelio Costa. It's available for 170,000 euros. If you need more details, please contact our office. Thanks for watching us and see you next time.